Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to start talking about parametric equations. Okay, so before we start talking about that though, let's introduce the idea of where parametric equations come from. So there are a lot of situations, especially in physics, where we want to not only know the location of a particle or an object, but that we understand that that object is in motion and we want to know what direction it's traveling at. And so in that case, we understand that the position, x position and the y position are both changing with respect to time. And so in those cases, we have to deal with what we call a parametric equation. Okay? And so because there's a new parameter or another variable involved, which is called the t variable or time. So when we know that a particle is moving, then instead of just having x and y, well, now instead of representing the position as an xy coordinate, well, now we know that x and y are both a function of a third variable, t in this case, where t is called the parameter. Okay, so this is the parameter, and usually t stands for time. Okay, so t is the parameter, and these pair give us a pair of parametric equations. Okay, so instead of just having an xy coordinate, we would have x of t comma y of t, because then again y is changing with respect to time and x is changing with respect to time. And so when we parameterize an equation, what we're doing is we're translating an equation that has two variables into a pair of equations that has three variables, in this case x, y, and the parameter t. Okay, and the reason why we do this is one of the reasons is to also because the parameterized equations gives us more information than what we would normally get just with x and y. In this case, namely direction. Okay, and we'll talk more about that in the following videos. Let's see here. Okay, so that's it. I'll come back with the definition. We'll do some examples. Have a good day.